Meditation. Would you like to learn to meditate to find a little bit more clarity, more peace in your life, more meaning in your life? Well, if you do, come follow me. Meditation, it's been practiced for hundreds, it's been practiced for thousands of years. There are many different techniques, but I'm not here today to talk about different meditation techniques. I'm here to talk about the fundamental principles for meditation. For many years I used to sit with my eyes closed, and I thought I was meditating, but I was just sitting there really daydreaming, because meditation requires discipline, but just the right amount of discipline. In the yoga tradition we talk of dharana, which is focus or concentration, but again it's just the right amount of focus, just the right amount of concentration. If you focus too intensely in your practice, your mind will soon tire and will look for distraction. If you're not engaged enough, if you're not focusing enough in your meditation, well then your mind will just drift away. You will just be sitting there daydreaming. So what do you focus your mind upon? Again, there are many techniques, and I'm not here to talk about them all. I'll put some more content up on different meditation techniques, but in this instance I'll talk about using your breath as a point of focus, because your breath is always there. So you become aware of your breath. To become aware of your breath isn't necessarily to be thinking about your breath. And as you familiarise yourself with the process of the inhalation, the exhalation, the natural pauses you find between each breath, you'll notice your mind drifting away. You'll notice yourself becoming distracted. And you know what? That's perfectly natural. But then what you do is you guide your awareness, your focus, your dharana back to your breath. And it can be a continual process. Awareness resting with your breath, and then your mind drifting away, and then you bring your attention back to your breath. And we do this without frustration. We practice without an agenda. All is revealed the more you're able to release and to let go. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe if you've not already subscribed, and donate if you want to help to support me and the channel.